on the full self-driving.
Oh,
If you want to turn it off, you can click it again,
Okay.
or just step on the brake or move the steering wheel,
Okay.
and that will turn off the full self-driving.
okay. Just like cruise control we are
Yes,
moving
yes.
out of.
Except it does everything. It'll turn and do stop at stop sign. And the biggest thing with this car that's different from a gas car is that it automatically brakes. So whenever you take your foot off the accelerator when you're driving, it will automatically start to brake.
Okay.
Yeah.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Legacy Drive.